Today, I'm excited to announce our brand new compositing bundle. This bundle combines compositing for beginners with fantasy compositing into one amazing bundle. These two courses are the perfect guide to teach you compositing in Affinity Photo, and the skills that you learn in each of these courses complement each other perfectly. In compositing for beginners, we'll start by learning the foundational tools and techniques for combining images. We'll learn how to match coloring, lighting, and perspective. Using these tools, you'll know how to seamlessly blend photos together. Then, in fantasy compositing, we'll build on everything we learned in compositing for beginners to create 5 incredible composites. These projects were specially designed to expand your compositing skills and show you the amazing possibilities of what you can create. By combining these two courses, you'll have everything you need to create your own incredible composites. I'm excited to see what you make, so sign up below and let's get started.